All right, YouTube, come on. Let's go downstairs in the workout room and dance a little bit. We got a little bit of downtime. So I'm gonna go to the workout room. And we about to dance. Maybe make a dance video or something, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Come on. So I honestly don't know how I did it, but I somehow managed to leave my tripod. So I'm gonna have to set up my camera somewhere. Because my tripod is not here in Texas with me. Ooh, workout benches. Maybe. All right, YouTube, so we are going to practice and try this butterfly leg work. I just kind of went over it, learned it a little bit, and I'm gonna try to teach y'all as best as I can. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go to the left side first. So we're going to hop, put your heel down, facing in front of you, and you're going to step your left foot into your right heel. Okay, let's start that over. So again, hop, put your heel down, step that foot into the heel, and pop and pivot. Okay, and you're done. And you're just going to repeat that over and over again. So hop, heel, pivot, and step. Hop, heel, pivot, and step. Hop, heel, pivot, and step. Hop, heel, pivot, step. Hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Alright, so here's the back view. Hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. We're going to try it on the right leg. And hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Let's turn it around. And hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Hop, heel, pivot, hop, heel, pivot. Okay, so when you're doing this, make sure that you're pivoting away from yourself. So if it's right foot, you're pivoting away. And you just keep practicing that, and you got it. So hop, hit. Let's do it slow again. Hop, pivot, tap. I like to tap and pivot at the same time, so I hope that didn't throw you off. But again, it's a hop, foot down, pivot, and tap at the same time. So I like tap and pivot. So alright, well, hope that helped for those who are trying to learn how to do the butterfly leg work. You see it in a bunch of, dances these days, these TikTok dances. But try it out. Let me know if this helped. Let me know if it works out for you. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. Later.